Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoka. Sovula ngeze Kaizer Chiefs and then sikhulume ngeBafana Bafana neza ku-PSL zonke. Asiqaleni ngecoach ye-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu meyibuzwa imedia after igame. Imedia noma ama-journalist akhale ngokuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs kusho ukuthi baya-experimenta laphana, bayazama nje ukuhlanganisa. And then ucoach uvele wabaphikiswa wathi lento yabo lento abayishoyo i-wrong yokuthi bona baya-experiment, kusho ukuthi bayazama nje ukufaka ama-player. Lento le beyisho nihlezi ngiyibona kuma-comment ukuthi chopping and changing ukuthi awazi ukuthi kuzodlala bani, uthi ayikho-ke leyo nto leyo. Then wenza i-example nge-Eden McCarthy ukuthi u-struggle-ile laphana ukubuyela ku-first 11 despite obviously amagame wakhe lawa few awadlale kahle kakhulu. Uthi uMcCarthy akadlali because of i-injury and khona ama-player afikile laphana athatha isikhala sakhe. Uthi bona o-coach kumele benze kanjani noma benze njani if ama-player amanye adlala kahle laphana kulesa sikhala lesi. Uthi bane-squad esikhulu laphana kumele basimanenje kahle, bamanenje nama-player. Uvele u-coach akajabulanga, umbonile ukuthi uvele nje wacasuka meyiphendula laphana because u-coach I think u-arrogant because I've seen him more than 5 times ekhuluma ne-media ukuthi uphendula kanjani ezinye izinto. Siyazi ukuthi sine-media and ama-journalist aphuwa bafowethu, siyakwazi lokho. But-ke as a coach kumele une-emotional intelligence yokuthi ukwazi uku-react-a to noma ama-journalist. Uthi utshela ama-journalist laphana ukuthi angakhulumi ngendaba yokuthi baya-experimenta noma ukuthi abekho sure nge-squad abadlalisayo. Uthi ama-journalist asuke engekho laphana ku-training angeke bazi ukuthi why bona ba-change. Iqiniso ukuthi i-Chiefs i-change-a every match. Bangadlala this game, yabona le game la babuya kuyo ukuthi badlale starting 11 esinjani. I think the previous game babe nama-change seven changes. Uyibonaphi leyo nto leyo kwamanye ama-team? I don't think khona i-team evele iku-surprise nga-7 changes bafowethu, only i-Chiefs. Even nama-team amancane awenzi kanje cause i-starting lineup sabo uyasazi ukuthi isiphi. Noma kuthiwa-ke bazo-add ukuthi bathi hayi namhlanje asizame laba bawu-3 because of a-formation nezinye izinto, but ku-Chiefs bazovele bakushaye ngama-7 starters amasha, brand new. So yeah, uthi ku-wrong kakhulu ukuthi abantu bazo-judge i-Kaizer Chiefs the way abayi-judge ngakhona because of bona sebeku-Kaizer Chiefs for more than a season. Kusho ukuthi isizini yabo yesibili noma yesi-2, uthi bawazi wonke ama-players laphana, uthi bayazi ukuthi ba-choose i-team kanjani nanokuthi benzani bayazi bona. So kusho ukuthi aba-experiment izinto ezinjalo. U-coach-ke nayi i-counter argument yami ukuthi u-coach methi yena sebana more than 1 season bekhona u-Chiefs bayawazi ama-player, why bangasazi i-squad abazodlala ngaso? Cause not like isiqeda i-league iqale last week or last month, no, i-league sokunesikhathi manje iqalile but still abanaso i-squad. Then i-team-ke ezokhomphithelani le bafowethu? But yeah, you never know bafowethu, liyagenqika, unpredictability of football, that's why we love it. Bafana izodlala i-friendly match neGhana, sebaconfirmile ukuthi izodlala neGhana. Yeah, ama-opponents are-strong, sobona ukuthi iGhana izoletha obani just before baya laphana ku-AFCON. I think ama-opponents ahlakaniphile futhi are-strong. Bangazama nje le-saving nama-players labafana abancane, asazi ukuthi bazodlalisa obani kanjani. Hugo Broos but-ke kumele azame ukuprepare kahle for i-continental level or continental showpiece which is i-AFCON. Sithemba ukuthi akekho umdlali ozolimala kule friendly. Sometimes nithi nidlala i-friendly agcine omunye elimele kumele akhishwe esquadini a-replace omunye, but yeah, we just have to wait and see ukuthi sibone ukuthi izodlala kanjani iBafana Bafana. Thina silinde i-AFCON ukuthi idlale cause of abanye abantu they're looking at iBafana Bafana as ama-favorite ukuthi they can go all out or all the way ukuthi bayiwine i-AFCON. Bafana Bafana unpredictable, you never know, but-ke sobona inama-player good, sebane-experience abafana abaningi bebakhona 2023, so they'll be looking at getting something laphana, sobona. Na into engichazayo yabona, ayikho into engichaza bafethu njengokuthi into bengiyikhuluma a few months back ngeplayer le-Pirates futhi ngaqala ukuyikhuluma early last year ngo-2024, abantu bathi uyabheda wena. Coach we-Pirates bekhuluma laphana ethi Metro FM, if angenza iphutha, khuluma ngoChief Fatuma Mabasa ukuthi hayi abantu abaningi bayambuza ukuthi why angadlali lo muntu lona. Wachaza nje ukuthi yena akanankinga noMabasa at all. No, akusi Metro FM, i-947, yeah. Uthi nje iplayer leli alithandayo, uyasho nje ukuthi umuntu o-right kakhulu futhi uyi-good player. Uthi bona banama-strikers amaningi kakhulu, ukuthi sometimes obviously technically ne-profile of i-defense le abazodlala against yona influencer ama-choices wakho ukuthi angamdlalisi uMabasa. uMabasa uthi-ke uMabasa knows ukuthi is one of the best players who is capable of finishing inside the box, but-ke uyasho ukuthi manje eh ku-high ukuthi oh yeah ukhuluma ngale ndaba le Pirates ukuthi i-pressure high, Pirates ukuthi fast kakhulu. Uthi yena u-coach ngeke a-afford-e ukuyekela ama-opponents ukuthi abe nebhola for 5 seconds ukuthi ku-too much. So a different era for i-Pirates ukuthi idlale i-tempo e-high kakhulu, nanokuthi lesiya amanye ama-player afana nabo-Chief Fazuma Mabasa ngeke bakwazi, abanalo mhlampe lelo character lelo lokwazi ukusiza i-team ukuthi badlale ngaleyo tempo leyo ephezulu bafowethu. So maybe that is why angadlali uMabasa, but nayo into emenza ukuthi angadlali-ke direct serious. 2024, I think it was 2023 December, November lapho, heading to 2024, Orlando Pirates ya-offer uMabasa i-new contract. uMabasa i-agent yakhe lo mlungu bayi-rejecta leyo contract because of bafile ngathi uMabasa udeserve more money laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, bayi-rejecta. Then from lapho, from that moment kula saqala khona ukubona uMabasa sengasadlala amagame amaningi. Then sekuprefera uMakgopa, uMabasa bamnika leso sikhashana leso. Lokho siyahamba phela isikhathi bafuna uku-renew i-contract kaMabasa but abatholani in terms of imali nge-Pirates. Namanje uMabasa-ke manje asikamboni at all-ke, even this season bamzamile a few times. Because of this season bethi ufuna ukubreak i-record lakaTshaw Vilakazi, because manje manje akathola ama-opportunities, uzolibreaka kanjani lelo record lelo? Uzolibreaka kanjani ngempela bafowethu? So yeah man, we'll see. Sobona ukuthi uMabasa uzophelela, but-ke omunye wama-player expected ukuthi mhlampe angayishiya i-Orlando Pirates, or maybe makungavela into nje out of the blue ekugcineni ukuthi bayavumelana nge-contract, but akakadlali ku-system ye-coach kakhulu, akaka-contribute kakhulu this season already. Sebanama-couple awu-2 now without i-major contributing factor yakhe. Bangakwazi babonisile ukuthi bayakwazi ukudlala without yena. So maybe umuntu abangambheka, abangam-overlook-a ukuthi akasekho kuma-plans we-coach. Nami angimbone kuma-plans we-coach, to be honest, angimboni elokhunjani ebuya ngempela awina i-space sakhe ukuba i-number 1 striker, cause lapha ku-striking department baningi abadlali abalwela leya department le. Yazi khona indaba ey'ncane masiyibheka, but-ke indaba ey'nkulu ukuthi ubani uChippa Mpengesi ukuthi uthenge i-School of Excellence, angazi utshentshe negama wathi Africa Football of whatever. La kudevelopwa khona abafana abancane ukuthi babe ama-world class players, or abafana bazodlala professionally ngelinye ilanga laphana ko-Pirates, ko-Chiefs, ko-Sundowns, izinto ey'njalo. So sobona ukuthi leso structure lesi azama ukusihendlila, ukusimaneja ukuthi sizohamba kanjani, nanokuthi umiseleni nina ngale School of Excellence, because of ebesisingasenama-sponsor, wafika yena wasi-rescue bafethu. Kusho ukuthi unemali-ke uChippa Mpengesi. Why uChippa Mpengesi if imali ikhona yokwenza izinto ey'ningi ukuthi anga-invest to ukuthi i-Chippa ibe nama-players amaningi akwaziyo ukukhompyutha, ba-build i-team e-strong ekwaziyo lese-compete for izinto lesiya amakhapha, asisho ukuthi bagijimisa i-league. Cause I remember uChippa mefika ku-P_S_L waye-ambitious athi, okay, first season bazozama uku-survive i-relegation, in the following season bazozama i-top 8, and then the third season or second season, I don't remember, bazozama ukukhompyutha for i-league. But angikaze ngababona mina bakhompyuthela i-league labantu laba. Isikhathi esiningi bafinisha le close to noma number 15, noma 14, 13, balapho nje. 12 badlalela kulawo ma-position lawo every season, siyazi ukuthi bakulawo ma-position. Even na this season izinto azibahambeli kahle. Again sesijwayele ku-change coach. I think Chippa United so far sinabo-coach abawu-4 if not 5 coaches, but i-season ayikakabi na ku-second half. School of Excellence bazosenzani? Bazothengisa ama-player, bazowadevelopha to, siyazi ukuthi bazowadevelopha yes, but bazowathengisa, bawathengisela obani kanjani, bazobuild ama-working relationships, ama-partnership namanye ama-team from all over the world, cause lesi isikolo esihlonishwa kakhulu bafethu, because of ukuthi sirepresent-ani nanokuthi sesishintshe iy'mpilo zabantu abaningi kangakanani ebholeni lase-South Africa. Cela ukuyibamba lana bafethu because of iy'ndaba cishe ngakhohlwa lento le umphathi we-Cape Town Spurs bafethu bewam-criticize angithi ngale ndaba yakhe le ukuthi criticize uLance Davis ukuthi bafuna ukugcina ama-player afuna ukuhamba, but bona bafuna ukugcina nge-forced, bebangafuni nokuthengisa ovelebayi ku-Chiefs, bafuna more than 10 million and stuff like that. And umphathi-ke i-CEO Alex uthe yena bekafuna nje ukuhlala naye direct kuleyo podcast leyo bakhulume, kusho ukuthi baphikisane ngokuphikisana nangezinto. Cause uthi yena umphathi laphana i-Cape Town Spurs iya-believe ukuthi they-deserve something ngalaba bafana laba because of baba-develop. So uthi-ke wacela laphana ukuthi kuleya podcast le kaMazola ukuthi-ke bahlale bobawu-2 bakwazi ukuphikisana babe ne-dialogue, but uLance Davis azange avuma. Uthi ungathanda ukuphendula in person laphana kuLance Davis. Uthi-ke angaphendula wonke ama-claims awashoyo laphana. Uthi nje to be honest, uthi uDavis ucabanga ukuthi u-bigger than his shoes. Uthi bekayi-footballer almost yonke impilo yakhe, and suddenly-ke mayeseka-actor ngathi uyi-expert on everything, umthetho, ama-agents matters, coaching, playing, waqhubeka nje wathi you name it. Uthi manje besibheka ukuthi how many players how many, okay, now let's see how many players he's going to bring to the academy and pay for them. They love to take the fruit from the tree when it's ready, but don't want to plant the seed. Okay, mayikhuluma ngendaba zey'mali, Cape Town Spurs mayeseyabhadalisa yobafethu iyadura dura too much. Ama-prizes wakhona uma uwabheka ayingeke. Kushuthi nje mawufuna umfana wakho adlale ibhola ukhokha boma-30,000 kuba ku-academy, ngoba mawukhava nezinye izinto ubheka nawe ukuthi hayibo unyaka wonke lese ubhadala I can't remember if boma-2 point something or 3 point something, 800 a day. Kuyadepend ukuthi ufuna ukuthatha yiphi, ufuna ukutraina under kuphi kanjani, izinto ezinjalo. Sebenza imali-ke manje sekuyi-academy serious. Kudala kuyi-academy serious but beba-develop ama-player mahhala, but after ukuluza uVeleboye bathi hhayi sebachentshile, but banamanga benza i-excuse ngoVeleboye. Bona vele bafuna ukukhulisa imali ukuthi bakwazi ukuthenga i-status back to a-professional setup, because of they cannot sell noma ngithi bathengise ama-player wabo if bale ku-third division, like yini kwakuthiwa i-Vodacom manje sekuyi-Mtsipe, ABC Mtsipe, i-Gauteng, no, bona bekho eGauteng, why ngithi eGauteng cause bale nabo ne-Western Cape, badlala ku-third division. La hayi kunzima, I don't think they will make it futhi, hayi kunzima-ke laphana ku-third division. Khona nama-team a-serious, but-ke uwine i-league yakho sekumele uye kuma-national playoffs, cabanga la kunzima khona kakhulu. But sobona uthi if okay, but no, ithi ngiyibambe la cause ukhuluma okuningi ngomphathi we-Cape Town Spurs. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, is making sure ukuthi i-page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers.